In this video, I'm about to show you how to get Devin AI access for yourself. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now, in the search bar, type Devin AI and press enter. Next, click the first link to visit the Devin AI website. Once you're on the website, click on Give Devin a task to work on to start using it. Here, you can enter a coding task to get started. For example, type creative an interview or bio form for a medical company. Then, click on the arrow button to submit the task. Now, you'll need to provide some information. First, enter your first and last name in appropriate field. After that, enter the company name you're associated with. Next, enter your email address so Devin AI can send you the task result. You also have the option to add LinkedIn profile or GitHub link if you'd like, but this step is optional. Once all the required information is entered, submit the request. As you can see, the request was sent successfully, and now you have access to Devin AI for your task. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.